Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be following up on my unboxing video of the Leopold FC750R. I'll give my 1 month impression. Well, it's sitting right here, right in front of me. Well, firstly, it's a very great keyboard. Well, don't take it all for granted because this is my first mechanical keyboard, but it really felt good when I was switching to the old keyboard, the cheap Logitech keyboard, membrane keyboard. It felt really bad. Yeah, this keyboard feels much better than the membrane keyboard. I'll talk about something that I hadn't noticed on my first video. Well, at the back it actually has a cable management. Yeah, you can put it on the left, on the right, or to the back. And the rubber fit is actually really excellent because my desk has a textured, like orange skin textured, and it held up well against my desk. Yeah, it doesn't move. Probably because it has some weight on it too, and it doesn't flex at all. The typing sounds feels fine, really great. I mean, I don't know. This is my first, so I'm not sure if this is normal, but there are a lot of different pitches of sound for the keyboard, and when I type, it kind of feels like music, you know. Yeah, because it has a lot of different pitches. Well, it gives me the mood for work, and I felt really confident too when I game, because there's this little tactile bump which gives me sign of the actuation point, like when the keys actually are registered and sent to the system computer. And I also noticed that there are multimedia keys. So the keys actually, well, I found this FN button, FN keycap, and I don't know what does that do, so I do some searching on the internet, and it actually has well, I only used 3 of them, like FN F10, FNF function F11 and function F12, F10 for the mute, F11 for lowering the volume level, and F12 is for the increasing the volume. Most of the keys actually have little to no difference in bump for the tactility, but I noticed, like, I don't know why, but I noticed some keys have like I don't know how to say it, like higher bumps than the other one, like this right arrow keys. It's actually a little more noticeable, like the bump is more noticeable when you press it, but like the other arrow keys, they are very subtle. I'm not sure it's like different throughout the keyboard, but this one is pretty noticeable. I'm not sure, but overall I think the bump is different, but the force, the actuation force is still the same, so it's not a big of a problem. Overall, it's a very great keyboard. I would recommend, yeah, for the price. I'm not sure if there are others, like I considered buying Ducky and other brands, but my friend actually recommended this keyboard, Leopold specifically, and so far no complaint, and hopefully it will last forever, you know. Okay, that's all. If you maybe want to give your opinion, maybe you bought the same model as me, and you want to leave comments about how you feel about the keyboard, you can leave it under, and make sure if you like it, you can like the video. Maybe I'll review more like tech gadgets and stuff when I bought them, but not regularly. So thank you everyone, and See you soon.